Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to join our learning journey. Capital of France. Paris is the capital and largest city of France, known for its influence in art, culture, fashion, and gastronomy. Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is the most iconic landmark in Paris, built in 1889 for the World's Fair and visited by millions every year. Louvre Museum. The Louvre Museum is the world's largest art museum and home to famous works like Da Vinci's Mona Lisa and Venus de Milo. Notre-Dame Cathedral. The Notre-Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, suffered a devastating fire in 2019, but remains one of Paris's most famous symbols. Seine River. The Seine River runs through the heart of Paris, with beautiful bridges and boat tours offering views of the city's famous landmarks. Champs-Élysées. The Avenue des Champs-Élysées is one of the most famous avenues in the world, lined with shops, cafes, and theaters, and leading to the Arc de Triomphe. Arc de Triomphe. The Arc de Triomphe is a monumental arch honoring those who fought for France, located at the top of the Champs-Élysées. Sacré-Cœur Basilica. The Sacré-Cœur Basilica sits atop the Montmartre Hill, offering panoramic views of Paris. Palace of Versailles. Located just outside Paris, the Palace of Versailles is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its opulent gardens and the Hall of Mirrors. Moulin Rouge. The Moulin Rouge is a famous cabaret in Paris, known for its energetic performances and association with the Belle Époque era. Musée d'Orsay. The Musée d'Orsay is an art museum housed in a former railway station, featuring works by artists like Monet, Van Gogh, and Degas. Montmartre. The Montmartre neighborhood is known for its bohemian atmosphere, street artists, and as a former home to artists like Picasso and Van Gogh. French cuisine. Paris is globally renowned for its cuisine, with Michelin-starred restaurants, patisseries, and markets offering culinary delights like croissants, baguettes, and macarons. Luxembourg Gardens. The Jardin du Luxembourg is a popular public garden in Paris, offering beautifully manicured lawns, fountains, and statues. Place de la Concorde. The Place de la Concorde is the largest square in Paris, known for its obelisk of Luxor and its historical significance during the French Revolution. Pont Alexandre III. The Pont Alexandre III is one of the most ornate and grand bridges in Paris, connecting the Champs-Élysées quarter to the Les Invalides. Opera Garnier. The Palais Garnier, or Opera Garnier, is a stunning 19th-century opera house and inspiration for the Phantom of the Opera. Le Marais. The Le Marais district is known for its medieval streets, historic mansions, Jewish quarter, and vibrant LGBTQ+ community. La Défense. La Défense is the modern business district of Paris, famous for its skyscrapers and the Grande Arche, Saint-Germain-des-Prés. This historic district has been a center of intellectual life in Paris, with famous cafes like Les Deux Magots, frequented by writers like Hemingway and Sartre. I hope you've learned a lot. Subscribe for more. Have a nice day.